Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your friends' voices louder in a party chat on your PlayStation 5. And if we press options here and go to Game Base and we go to our party chat, we do have the option to go to the slider on the top. So if we go to more, we have the audio balance. Now if we go to the right, we're going to hear our headset more. If we go to the left, we're going to hear the game sound more. So most of the time I like hearing my game sound, so I'm kind of right in the middle here, just to the left a little bit. And then we can go to our friends too. If we go to their name, we do have the option to slide this volume slider to the right or left. So to the right, it's going to make it louder. To the left, it's going to make it softer. So everyone has a different setting or adjustment for their microphone. And it's nice to go to each person's individually and then adjust it for their own microphone. So then you can do the same thing with your own microphone. If you go to the option to adjust your microphone on the home screen here, just go to the quick menu, then go to your microphone. You can see mine is muted. And then we can go to here and we can adjust it under here. So just look at that as an option and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.